Hi guys, Hackamap here, and this time we are back with the video DOS and DDoS attack. So this will be a two video based tutorial. The first contain conceptual knowledge about DOS, DDoS attack, how they work, what are bot and botnets, recent events about DDoS attack. The second will contain implementation of DOS and DDoS attack on real-time website and on live system. So now let us start by understanding what is DOS attack. A DOS stands for denial of service. DOS attack is a type of cyber attack in which a malicious actor aims to take down website, information system or any other network sources so that it is unavailable to legitimate user. It takes single computer to perform this attack. Service affected may include email, website, online accounts or any other services that rely on the affected computer or network. Now let us understand how DOS works. DOS, as the name suggests, denial of service, works by flooding a target network or website until it becomes unavailable or becomes very slow. Let us understand this thoroughly. Whenever the data packets are sent to the server from client side, server processes them and replies back to the client. Now this is exactly what happens in real time. Whenever you search anything on net, be it on YouTube, Facebook or Google, what happens is the data from your mobile is sent in form of data packets to the particular server. Now each server has its own capacity to handle a specific number of data packets at a particular time. When this count of data packets goes beyond the capacity of server's ability to handle the request, it results in either slowing down of server's processing time or making site unavailable. Now let us understand this by an example. As you can see in figure 1, the attacker has only single system and the server is over here. Now let us suppose that this server can process 2 data packets at a single instance of time. Now what happens when attacker launches DOS attack, that is sends tons of data packets to this server, is the server either become unavailable or becomes very slow. I hope by now you have understand what DOS attack is. Now let us move on to DDoS attack. DDoS stands for Distributed Denial of Service. It is a type of advanced cyber attack or a higher level of DOS attack. This attack uses multiple computers known as bots. The group of computers which perform DDoS attack is known as botnet. Now let us first understand what bot and botnets are. Bot is basically a device which has been compromised through any malware and can be controlled remotely by an attacker. A bot can be computer, mobile or any device which uses internet. Bot can be used to launch multiple attacks at one go. This collection of bots or controlled computer is known as botnet. As you can see in the figure 2, the attackers own this much of pre-compromised computer. At certain point of time, the attacker must have sent malicious file to these computer and compromised them. These computers as a whole is known as botnet. Now you must be thinking in real life what bot actually are. Bot are our own devices, that is your mobile you use, the laptop you use, the computer system you use or even Alexa if compromised. These devices can be used to launch DDoS attack on any target server if compromised by attacker. Now we will understand how DDoS works by using a very simple example. We all at least have once used IRCTC site. Have you ever noticed during the time when Tatkal starts, website usually becomes slow or becomes unavailable? What happens inside is, as explained in DOS, each server has its own capacity to process data packets at a given instance of time. Therefore, at a given time, multiple requests from all over the India slows down the website or sometimes even takes it down. This is actually what happened in DDoS. So, when DDoS attack is launched, tons of data packets are sent from each bot to the website, server or a particular network to take it down. When it occurs, be it website, server or any other network sources, it becomes unavailable or slows down. Now, as you can see figure 3. Figure 3 includes each and everything we have discussed in this tutorial. It includes bot, botnets, DOS attack, DDoS attack. As you can see over here, here it is attacker, zombies, victims and controller. The controller over here is actually the command and control center. The responsibility of command and control center is to deliver command to all the bots out there. So when the attack is launched, the attacker delivers command to command and control center. From there it is delivered to all the bots out there. And once the command is delivered, each bot launches DOS attack on a particular target, server or website. The whole is termed as DDoS attack. So this is basically how DDoS attack actually happens in real time. So these are some news articles over here of the recent DDoS attack. I hope by now you all have understand what DOS and DDoS attack actually are, how they work. So in next tutorial we are going to implement DOS and DDoS attack on real-time website and on live system. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.